So you're looking for a completely free VPN that works on your Firestick or your Android TV device. Maybe you don't want your ISP to see what you're doing, but more likely you're looking for a way to access geo-locked content, like for example the Redbox application, a completely official legal application, has some great content, but it's only designed for the USA audience. So if you want to access this from anywhere else, then you do have to use some kind of VPN. So in this video today, let me show you a completely free VPN which allows you to unlock content like this. It doesn't have any kind of logging, it doesn't require any kind of payment information, and most importantly, it has no data limits, which means you can enjoy all of your streaming applications with no restrictions. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is a quick speed test with the VPN activated, because there's no point using a VPN if it's going to completely cripple your speeds. And as you can see in the background, this completely free VPN is giving us 71 meg downstream, which as we can see there is more than enough for 8K streaming. So it really is great that this free VPN allows us to get speeds like that. Now the trouble with most free VPNs, especially the ones on the Google Play Store, is as they don't really have any real business model, you really have to question how they're making any money. And when you click on any of these random ones, so VPN Fast, Secure VPN, you scroll down and where it says that developer's address, it's a Gmail address. So most are not really any official companies, so they don't really follow any standards or guidelines. So again, you really have to question what they're going to do with your data. Now comparing that to Proton VPN, this company has been around for a long time. We can see that they are based in Switzerland, so they do have very strict data protection laws. We can see they do offer a free tier which is unlimited with no catches, no gimmicks, and this is funded or supported by the paying users of the premium tier. So that's how they're able to offer this free service. So normally I don't recommend any free VPN, but definitely with what I've seen with Proton VPN, I do think it's trustworthy. So the first thing you want to do is just create a quick free account. So you can go onto their website, click on sign up. Here we can see that we get access to 24 servers in 3 countries. They have a strict no logs policy. I can click on get free. What I need to do now is just enter a quick username, a password and an email address, and this will allow me to register that free account. So again, no payment details or anything like that is required. So create that free account. Let's now jump back onto the Firestick. Now to start this process, because you do have to sideload it on your device, just go over to your settings, go over to My Fire TV, go to developer options, and where it says install unknown apps, make sure downloader is set to on, which means we can download applications through downloader. Once you've done that, let's now press the home key and let's use downloader to make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in the short code 53402. Let's type that in and click on go. Now when you get to my website, head over to the hamburger menu, which is one with the 3 lines. Click on that, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get the latest version of Proton VPN on all of your devices. Let's open that up. Here we are. So here's some more information about the application. Scroll down, and underneath all of that we'll have a single link, which will be the latest version for Android TV or Fire TV devices. Here we are. Let's click on that. Scroll down and you want to click on the green download button, and this will download the application directly onto your device. Just give that a second. Click on install. That's now all done. We can click on done, and I do recommend clicking on delete just so we can delete the installation file. Get that space back. We can now press the home key. Let's start that up. So the first thing we need to do is just link the application over to our newly created Proton account. So I can click on sign in. It's now telling me to go to that address and type in that code there. So let's quickly jump back onto my PC. And I can then type in that code. So here is that site. I can now type in that code and click on verify. That's now connected. I can now go back onto the Firestick, give that a second, and we are now fully logged in. So at the top there we can see my current IP address. we can see that the free plan does come with 3 servers, one in USA, one in Netherlands, and I believe one in Japan. Now, before I actually make a connection, let me just show you in real time. If I try to access Redbox again, we can see this application is not working because it's looking at my IP address and it's saying it's not a USA based IP address, which is why we can't connect. Let's go back again. One more time, clicking on that, just to show that it's definitely not working. Okay, let's click on back. Let's click on exit. And if any of you guys are still here with me, then if you drop a like on this video and leave the comment #Proton, then I know you made it this far in the video, which I always appreciate. I'll then heart your comment. Let's now go back to Proton VPN. And let's now make a connection to a USA server. Let's click on that. I can also add this as a favorite, so I'm going to do that by clicking here and click on connect. That says it's now connected, and we can see I do have a new IP address there. I can now press the home key. Let's go down. Let's try Redbox again. And this time when I start here, no warnings, no errors, no issues, and we are straight inside that content. And just to confirm that it's not just looking at the content, I can just start anything in here, and in a couple of seconds, and we can now stream this content that was previously unavailable for us. Let's back out of that. Let's just do one last speed test just to show you that the VPN is connected. I should have a location of USA, and with that VPN connected, my 4K Firestick is getting around about 70. Okay, so it's comfortably pushing over 80 meg downstream, which is more than enough even for 8K streaming. So that's all for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. I know lots of you have asked on how we can get a trustworthy free VPN that we can use to unlock content. And I do think that Proton VPN is definitely worthwhile checking out. So if you did find this video useful, then do give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, then please do subscribe, hit the notification bell with all notifications, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.